Hello everybody, this is Rose with Winterbrose. This video segment of pulse mode blending, we're going to show you scaling within Blender 2.83. You can see here we're running 2.83.4, so we got the default cube in here. So basically, to do any scaling within Blender, you can use the S key on the keyboard, and if we do, you can see it'll scale the whole object. And if you want to, when you hit the S key, you can also scale along an axis. Let's say we just want to go scale on the Z, so we hit S and Z, and you can see we're only scaling up and down on the Z. You can see how you make that into a vertical column, a post, or whatever. And then, of course, you can use scaling on the Y, and you use scaling on the X, which would be SX. SY for the Y, and SX for the X. So you can use scaling on the different axes to get your if you're modeling or make changes to the model to get what you like. You'll also notice that there is a control over here for scaling. Sorry, there it is. Looks like a little box being stretched by the arrow to a bigger box, and if you go into edit mode, you can see it's still there. So we also know that we'll go ahead and click a face. You can do this on individual objects or components. So we'll just click that face and we'll use the scale command, and then you can see here now with this one we can scale by clicking the appropriate axis. We can grab the box and scale on that axis. Now when we're just doing that one face, don't forget, oops, so we'll undo that, or we can scale up and down, which will have no effect because it's flat. So don't be scared if sometimes you do scaling and you do something like that, and like that face is just a plane, so it has no dimension really up and down. You can't scale it. Then of course you can go the other direction too. So sometimes you might just forget where you're at and you wonder why is it not working, but that would be the reason why. Of course, you can still you can do individual like edges too. So we go to edge mode. We can select an edge, and you can scale an edge. You can see that we know the edge has got no depth. You can go that direction. We can go this way. See, there's no depth up and down on an edge, just length. And you say go this way, you see nothing happens. So when you're doing an edge, it's only going to be able to scale in one direction, the length of it. And then, of course, if you go to a vertex, you're not going to probably get any scaling at all because it's one dot. You can't really scale a dot up or down. It's just one dot. It's just how it works within the 3D world of Blender. We hope you enjoyed this video presentation, and have a great day.